Hey, I'm Dion with WTI, and when it comes to purses, I am a minimalist. So that's why I love this crossbody bag. It has two large inner compartments that you can zip up, and also it has a flap with an outside pocket for your phone. What's really cool is if you turn on the back, there is a nice sleek compartment that's easy to access anything important like your credit cards, especially when you're traveling. This purse is 100% leather, and it's a gorgeous pink beigey color. I find it so convenient to just throw it over my shoulder and I am ready to go. This purse is so versatile, and that's my point of view.